Your childhood friend has been crying since yesterday the news came to her. But my love, I thought she's a hard nut to crack. Why she
please, stop being stupid, madam.
Alright, it's okay. It's okay. You see, my father the king is solidly on this matter. And you know the king, whenever he's at something, he must definitely get to it. So we all should stop worrying ourselves. I believe with time, everything will be fine.
I pray so, honestly. I pray so.
Good. My love.
Yeah.
My sugar. With your permission, can I hang out with Francisca?
Of course, but I'm coming with you guys.
What? Madam, please. I beg you in the name of God, just go get yourself your own best friend. This is mine, okay? So you have to allow him to go out.
This is my boyfriend we're talking about.
Auntie.
Will you stop being noisy here? Eh? If she wanted to snatch him away from you, she would have done that far back.
Thank you.
Eh?
Thank you.
My prince, please go ahead and take your bestie to wherever you want to take her to. Don't mind some people. Whoever that cares can go and get besties and stop being jealous of other people's besties.
No,
Mama.
ladies. I do not want her to get any bestie. I am her bestie, her man, her boyfriend, her everything.
For life.
Right, my love, you see?
Yeah.
Take it easy. I will take you out soon. It's going to be a special one.
So you mean I'm not going with you guys?
No.
You're not going anywhere.
You're not.
You know she needs our care and help, especially from you. And you know she deserves it. So allow her. Nico, and stop being unnecessarily jealous. Get out from there.
Oh, the man, I hear.
You.
Please, you guys should get something for me.
Definitely. Alright, I love you.
Get something for me.
Yeah, sure.
Fried chicken, fried rice, fried beans, fried everything.
Integrity, baby, you are betrothed to a crown prince. Stop all this nonsense. This Ofala festival is not only for the nobles, but for both peasants and half a night to come and show everybody is equal.
Alright. We are home, finally. You're welcome.
Thank you so much for taking me out today. I had a nice time.
I'm glad.
So, why are you staring at me like that? What is wrong with you? Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm just happy. I mean, I'm happy for you and Somadna.
Who is now a hostage?
Oh, come on, don't say that. You and I know that you'll be out soon. But thank you. I mean, thank you for finally accepting to date him.
Okay, thank you. And why? No, tell me, why are you happy?
You know, Somadna is a good man. A very nice personality. And I wouldn't want him to end up with any of my sisters because the kind of torture he will get from them, I don't think he deserves it.
No, he can't even marry them because it's against our tradition for one man to get married to two princesses. So it's not possible.
Yes. And I think that my sisters are desperate and those girls are not even ready for marriage.
I am sorry, but a woman got to do what she got to do.
I don't see that as doing what you got to do. I see that as desperation. You know, when I heard that they were falling all over for him, I was so embarrassed.
Sorry.
Princesses of this land.
No, you don't have to be.
Well, enough of this conversation. Let me not keep you here standing for too long.
But you still lecturing, Mr. Lecturer.
Big head.
You like calling me big head?
Of course you are.
And you have the biggest head.
No, I don't. You are.
All right, I'm watching you. Go inside.
No, you're not going inside with me.
I have to return back to the palace.
Why? It's fine, don't worry.
All right.
Thank
Take care.
you. Yeah.
too.
Bye.
I'm watching you.
No. You don't have to. Soma do not have to. Not you.
Really?
Bye. Bye-bye.
Take care.
Baby, you are betrothed to a crown prince. Stop all this nonsense. This Ofala festival is not only for the nobles, but for both peasants and having to
Hey, I can't blame the person that bought this for me. Afamo.
Mama.
There is something I'm noticing here. See, it's like the prince loves his bestie more than he loves his girlfriend.
Mama, why will you say a thing like that? You know that Prince Mezie loves me more than he loves his life self. Not talk of friend.
Are you serious? Okay. Look at the chicken he bought. Look at the canned drinks. Eh? Who is the one that brought all these things? Are you not the one?
No. Mama, love is not measured by chicken and drinks, please.
Love is not measured by chicken. Okay. Let the eaters of the chicken be the judge. You got to go?
Auntie, why are you attacking my cousin now? You're obviously attacking my sister.
Oh, your cousin. But she is my daughter. And unfortunately, who doesn't accept defeat?
Mama.
Asamo!
Charity.
Asama!
Mama. Mama.
Nemo tapuruchuku chicken. Rapu ya.
No, I'm coming.
Oh! Hey! Everything belongs to me now.
Don't tell me you're still mad about what Mama said.
No, I'm fine. I'm fine. So tell me, hope you had good time with Mezie.
Of course. At least he was able to cheer me up. And it's actually what I needed right now.
You are right. Don't worry. Everything is going to be fine.
I know. Thank you.
Is there any problem?
Oh, no. I'm fine. Mezie is a very nice man. Same with Somadana. I guess we both are just so lucky.
Why do you say that?
Because Mezie said that he's very pleased me accepting Somadana as my man.
So, why will he talk down about his sisters in your presence?
Because he said the sisters are not ready to get married.
I support him 100%.
Of course.
I mean, why would they be throwing themselves at the same man and fighting every time? Is that not insane?
I don't know.
No.
And he said something else.
Tell me. Tell me. Tell me.
Your Majesty, we have been waiting to hear from you what situation is about the Ofala festival. It was to hold many days ago, but it is rather unfortunate that one of our illustrious sons who came to be part of this festival was kidnapped.
If you look at this place, you can see it is empty. Somadina is not just our son. Somadina is a complete son of the soil. The disappearance of Somadina gives me nightmare. And if Somadina is not found, there shall be no Ofala celebration in Amadike Kingdom. I have spoken, and that is final.
But
what? But what? Who are you to question my authority? This is what I have decreed, and if you want to be part of this celebration this year, make sure that my Somadina is found. Igwe. That boy is too close to my heart.
Igwe, the police assured us.
Shut it! I'm sorry. I am not interested in that garbage. Police what? I hate them. They're incompetent and so lazy. I assured us what? Listen and listen real good. If Somadina is not found, there shall be no Ofala celebration. And I have spoken.
Igwe Okamma.
Okamma.
Oh no, I do not want to come to your house because I am trying as much as I can to avoid suspicions, especially now that your son is missing.
What sense does that make? What would people say? That I'm sleeping with you or that you are coming after me because my son Somadina is missing?
What does that even mean?
Just go straight to the point and tell me why you invited me here.
I know that my sister has a hand in Somadina's abduction.
So, the king will join you in a jiffy. Please make yourself comfortable.
Baby, you are betrothed to a crown prince. Stop all this nonsense. This Ofala festival is not only for the nobles, but for both peasants and have-nots.
I am highly disappointed on the ineptitude of the police force. You gave me your words. You told me, I heard you vividly, that in few hours you bring back Onowu's son from the bastard that seized him. That was your words. I don't like laissez-faire attitude. This is nonchalant.
Your Highness, I sincerely apologize for the unprecedented delay. But I give you my word.
Take back your words, please, and bring back Somadina to me. He's too close to my heart. You may leave. Do something better this time around.
I will do that.
I know what has happened is affecting all of us, but you have to take it easy, please.
What did they say that I did?
Well, I mean, these days your fuse is short. You take it out on anyone at the slightest provocation. I saw how you shouted at that policeman earlier on today. I mean, it was totally uncalled for.
The police are really getting on my nerves. Their incompetence and their ineptitude is nothing to write home about at all.
Your Majesty, you can't really blame neither can you blame the young man? I think he was only trying to do his job.
Is it my fault then? It is a duty of the police to protect lives and properties. They are so relaxed, so lazy. I have no other option but to lure so that they can soar.
Yeah, you're welcome to the palace. Come. Father. Oh, nice.
Greetings.
Wow.
You come in.
What do we have here? Who are these pretty damsels?
Okay, Father, let me officially make this introduction. With me here is Charity, my girlfriend. Charity, meet the king.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
And my mother.
Greetings, my queen.
Yeah. And also, Father, with us is her cousin, Francisca. She is Somadina's girlfriend.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
You're welcome.
Greetings, our queen.
So, this lady, this is why Somadina abandoned our gorgeous princess.
Nana.
Father.
Get out of my presence immediately. Leave before I lose it.
You get yourself. Please make yourselves comfortable. Sit. Yeah, sit.
No, Your Majesty. I have enough respect for you. But that does not mean that I would hesitate in putting you where you belong. If you continue to think about the abduction of your son that is taking almost every part of your body, taking the better part of you, I will not hesitate to do the needful.
Your Majesty, you have been unreasonable.
What did you just say, no? That the king of this kingdom is being unreasonable. Oh no, will you walk into my presence and told me that a member of this royal household has a hand in the kidnap of Somadina? No, you did. What nonsense was that? What gave you the impetus to say that? Listen to me. I think you and your informants are out of your mind.
Perhaps you may even ask who my so-called informant is.
I am not interested, and I will never be interested. What nonsense was that?
Oh, it's your daughter.
What did you just say?
Yes, my so-called informant is your daughter, Princess Nena. That's it.
Nana. Nana! Nana!
You should remember that you cannot run away from your shadow.
How dare you?
Father, what did I do?
How dare you spite this noble household? How? You told you know that my daughter kidnapped Somadina.
But Father, it's the truth. Isn't it worrisome that Somadina got kidnapped just a day after he rejected her? Father, she got jealous that Somadina chose another woman over her, and then she kidnapped him. Father, if anybody is not going to see Princess Adeze for who she is, I see it and I will expose her.
Shut up and listen to me. I know both of you more than you know yourselves. And I know what both of you is capable of doing. If there is anybody that is capable of doing that, it is you. But I'm not going to bother much on this business argument because you are my daughter. I am going to exonerate you. But please, I do not want a repeat performance of this, or I will do what you will never forget in a hurry. Be careful. I've warned you before, and I'm not going to do it again. This is my last warning. Get out of my sight and now. Leave! All legs and no leg. Every time.
Enough integrity. Love, baby, you are betrothed to a crown prince. Stop all this nonsense. This Ofala festival is not only.
Dad, you look so exhausted. Please, Dad, don't allow the weight of this kingdom to weigh you down. It's really telling on you. I don't want to lose my daddy.
Do you think I believe that's rubbish, that nonsense that your sister said?
Dad, I'm not scared. I know there's a lot of things I don't need to bother myself for you to believe about me. But I don't know why my sister is trying to bring me down. What have I done to her?
Listen, my daughter, you have to be very careful. I've done all to make your sister behave like a normal, regular woman, but all to no avail.
Oh, Dad. Dad, do you know that Nina is so unique? There's a lot about her. She has an admirable personality. I don't know why she can say it.
What is so admirable about Nina? Like I said before, be very, very careful. Nina is desperate, and desperate people do desperate things. Please, I do not want anything to happen to you. I call people like that extremists. They can go to any extent to get what they want. It's okay. Just tread with caution.
Thank you so much, Dad.
It's alright.
Thank you.
Where is Somadina, officer?
I'm afraid we don't have him.
Then what are you doing here?
A member of your family has him.
What?
We were duly informed by a reliable source that Princess Adeze is responsible for the adoption of Somadina and wish to take her with us to the station for questioning.
Officer, instead of you to concentrate on your job as an officer of the law, you are busy listening to petty gossips. Busybody about my own daughter.
But Your Highness, this is a direct resistance of the enforcement of the law.
Officer, leave my presence. Now. I said leave my presence. Why are you behaving as if you have an elephantiasis of the scrotum? Get out! Without Somadina, don't ever come to my presence again.
But you should remember that you cannot run away from your shadow.
I am surprised. I do not know anything about who told the police anything.
Nena, I ask again. Did you tell the police that my daughter, Adeze, is responsible for Somadina's kidnap? Did you?
You can ask the officer in charge of the case. I know nothing about this, Father.
Then who did?
Your Majesty, why are you so bothered about what's going on in another man's household? You're not even thinking of your own family.
Onowu is like a brother to me.
Please.
And his son is like my own son.
So what about your children, your daughters? Don't you care about them?
I trust Monsieur, my prince. And I equally trust my daughter, Adeze. But for this stripper that came from Lagos,
But you should remain there.
take her back to wherever she's coming from.
You cannot run away from your shadow.
That's very.
You have a good future.
Excuse me.
But you don't want to walk it out.
Nana.
Let her be. Let her go.
The killer.
It's always about Daisy. Daisy all the time. Doesn't care about me. Sometimes I doubt if he is my real father. I'm sure he's not.
What are you doing?
I am leaving, Father. I am packing my things and I am leaving this palace because nobody wants me here.
So you did. You had the guts, the infantry, to talk to the police against your own blood sister. You did.
But Father, I spoke the truth. She did it. I only spoke the truth.
I knew it. I knew it. You snitched against your own blood sister. You had the guts to report your sister to the police. What do you want to achieve? Anyway, that is by the way. What are you doing?
Father, I am leaving.
You go nowhere.
You hate me. So let me just pack my things.
I say you go nowhere. You go nowhere until this mystery is unraveled. Until the police finishes their investigations. You go nowhere until after the investigation. Afterwards, you can go wherever you want to. But for now, you remain here. You disappoint me.
He didn't even try to stop me. He just hates me so much. Why?
Your Majesty, you promised to forgive and forget all that happened in the past. How come you now call your daughter a stripper?
Is that not what she is?
Well, she used to be, but now she's changed.
Point exactly. What point are you trying to...
The point I'm trying to make here is that you just make her feel like you're not her father.
Just the same way she makes me feel that she is not my real daughter.
But you should remain there. That you cannot run away from your shadow. You have a good future, but you don't want to work it out. You must pray. Be the killer. Be the killer. Right, the killer. Be the killer. the truth is bad. Being desperate is wrong. All I can see right now is desperation. It's written all over you, baby. Why are you
I don't even know. I don't know what to do.
My princess, what is the fault with your car?
Who are you?
My name is Peter. I know you. I'm also from this village.
The car. I don't know what is wrong with it. It just started jerking, and then I turned it off, tried turning it on again, and it won't turn on back. I don't know what the problem is.
Okay. May I?
Sure.
Okay.
Are you sure you know what you're doing?
Oh, princess, calm down. This is my job.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
because of pride. Pride the killer.
I recognize you. You're one of those boys that play football, am I right?
Yes, Your Majesty.
What is your name?
Oh, my name is Peter, Your Majesty.
Peter, how may we help you?
Your Majesty, I'm here to see this miss.
I think I know you. Aren't you the guy that...
Mother, father,
Say, how are you?
how far? Greetings, son, father. Greetings. How far? How are you? What do we have here? Who is he?
Well, he says he's here to see you.
He's here to see me.
Yes.
Why? Why do you want to see my brother?
I am sorry, my princess. I want to see Prince Monsieur in private, please. In private? Yeah.
Okay. All right.
No. Why do you want to speak to him in private? The king is here. Speak openly. Right, mother?
Well, I guess your brother's already obliged him, so there's really nothing we can do.
Yeah, come, let's go out. Okay. You want to see him? Peter, please. Thank you, sir.
Strange things are happening. Strange things are happening in this palace. I mean, how can a stranger walk in here, demand to speak to the prince in private, and boom, he's obliged?
I thought you said you recognized the young man. How come all of a sudden? He's a strange guy.
Father, the thing is...
Shh. Why are you always... Shh. What is your problem? Listen, Peter, are you sure of what you're saying? I know I'm asking you this. My father, the king, can get you killed if you're joking with me or you're lying to me.
Oh, my prince, I can't be lying to you. Everything I told you, the one I'm still telling you now, is true.
Peter.
My prince.
How many times did I call you? For the second time, and for the very last time, are you sure of what you just said?
My prince, I'm 100% sure. I don't know. You see, I can't be lying to you. I'm an adult. This is unbelievable.
God. Hello? Can you stop calling me? I said I got this. I'm on my way. I will deal with it. Stop calling me, okay? You're driving me crazy.
Oh, my princess. Are you okay?
Just mind your business.
It's not only for the novels, but for both peasants and half-men to go. Everybody is equal. This Ofala festival is not only for the nobles, but for both peasants and half-men to go. Everybody is equal. He never comes.
You serious? My prince, I'm very serious. Wait, do you know what you're talking about? Eh? Okay, hold on. If you're so sure of what you just said, can you take me to that place? I don't mind taking you there, but the point is that we can't go there like this. We need to go there with the police. We can't just go there like this.
Oh, we need to go there with the police.
Yes. That's not a problem. Yes. It's not a problem. Just come in.
Okay.
Hello. Listen to me carefully. You need to leave that location right away. Yes. Change of location. I think someone followed me the other day and the person is snitching on us. Yes. Move him out of there immediately. I will meet you guys on the other side. Thank you.
For some days now, no one knows my son's whereabouts. His phones are switched off. What's the meaning of this? Who is after me? What do we call this? Let me try again. Switched off.
Boss, wetin dey sup now? Wetin dey place? It's money your matter, I no understand.
Babe! Joy, our matter don gas.
Wetin happen? Where dey for?
Father say make we dey comot. Say the whole matter don gas. Where the guy dey?
The guy dey sleep. No go shift.
We could just go get am now, dey comot.
Please! Please! Come on. Go down.
Where is Madman? I said, where is Somadina?
I don't know. I know not.
I think I'm joking with you. For the last time. Where is Somadina?
I do not know.
I think I'm joking with you. Think I'm joking with you.
Where's Partner? Where's Partner? Move it! Move! We are at the location. Can you come quick? I think the police might be after us.
Okay. What kind of stupid guy is this? Eh? I don't even know.
Sir, I've done what you asked us to do. I've made the call. Then can you let us go now?
But she hasn't arrived. When she arrives, we'll let you go. If you try to escape, we will shoot. Do you understand? Clearly.
Nena, your time is up.
What did I do wrong? I didn't do anything. You can't intimidate me. Why? Why?
When we get to the station, you will know.
Move it! Officer, move it! Bring him out.
But you should remember that you cannot run away from the shadow.
Mom?
You have a good
Dad?
future,
I've been wondering.
but you don't want to walk.
Nena hasn't been home all day.
I've been wondering too. She sneaks out of the palace and sneaks in at night. I just don't understand. I just want to believe that she's not doing something heinous out there.
No, I don't think so. Why don't you give her benefit of the doubt? I think probably she started some kind of business that is taking her out. But not to worry, when she comes back, I will discuss with her.
We all know that Nena is not business oriented. She's not a business-minded person. So, Mom, what business are you talking about?
I'll find out when I talk to her.
Please, try and find out fast.
I will.
I just pray she's fine.
Like you care.
I do, Mom.
Eat your food.
Excuse me.
You lost it.
I lost it.
Keep losing it.
What was that? You're too gullible. You take advantage of everything.
My queen, you worry yourself over nothing. Honestly, if you like worry yourself from now till thy kingdom come, it will never hasten that your daughter, not even an inch, to coming down to this place.
It's past 10 p.m. Your daughter is not yet back and you're not even bothered. If it's Princess Adeze, you would be agitating by now.
My Princess Adeze will never do such. So there is no room for any agitation. She cannot. Let me be, please.
So, Father, you were not afraid? Of course, I'm not worried. Because I know the kind of dad she has. He will definitely deal with her.
I was shocked when I found out that Nina was the one behind all that.
To think of that, at some point, I literally almost forced you into giving her a chance.
I'm happy everything happened and you now know the type of woman she is. Though it happened at the expense of my safety and comfort.
I'm so sorry, son.
It's okay, Dad. I can't use that against you because you are only trying for me to settle down with the right person, which every father will do.
I now know that she's the wrongest woman for you.
I don't mind. Zero wife material.
Father, where are you going? Or where is everybody going?
What a question is that, Missy? Are you not aware that your sister has been missing since yesterday?
Dad, don't mind him. I'll go with you.
There is no need for that, mother.
Really?
Yes. Father, I have a pleasant surprise for you and an unpleasant surprise as well. But I will go on with the pleasant one.
Go ahead.
What if I told you we found Somadina?
Your Majesty. Your Majesty, my son Somadina has been found.
Oh no.
Yeah, I'm happy.
He's been found?
Yes, he is in my house. I'm just waiting for the situation to calm down. Then he will come to see Your Majesty.
Yeah.
I say this most sincerely.
And also, Father, do you remember Peter?
Who is Peter?
Your Majesty,
I remember the young guy that came
looking for me.
Yes, yes.
Fine. Peter here told me everything. Yes. And unfortunately, the same person that was going about accusing everyone of kidnapping Somadina was the same one that kidnapped him.
Who could that be?
Nena, your daughter. She did that just to get back at him for choosing another lady instead of her.
I knew it.
Nana, how could you do this to me?
Where is she now?
She's at the police custody as we speak.
What? Oh no.
Mom? No.
That you cannot run away from your shadow.
Yes, my son is back. My son is back.
You have a good future.
You see, I have always been a great believer in the fact that what will be will be. Thank you for coming back.
I should be the one saying thank you so much for overlooking all my flaws and giving me a second chance. I'm grateful.
It's okay, my love, okay? You see, sometimes in life, we all need to be patient and wait for true love to come into our open arms. I knew you were going to come back. Thank God you're here.
Yeah. So, what did you tell His Majesty, your father?
Or else I told him we're cool.
You
I
did?
mean, yes, I had to cover it up. And he believed, okay? So you don't need to worry yourself.
Wow. Thank you. You know, there were nights when the winds were so cold. And there were days when the sun was extremely cruel. And my tears turned to dust. And I never knew my tears will ever go away.
My dear, it's okay. You see, at first I cried when you served me breakfast. But But I still believed that one day, someday, you will come back to me.
Do you still love me?
Of course I do. I knew you would come back to me, and here you are with me now.
Yes. Everything is coming back to me.
What?
Everything I used to tell myself in the secret place. Sometimes I used to tell myself that I can't wait. The day I will look into your eyes and tell you how sorry I am for everything I did to you and everything I said to you.
It's okay, my love. It's alright. Listen, I knew all this was soon end the very night you sent me those messages on WhatsApp. I forgave you that night.
You did?
Yes, I did. And I believed that one day you will come back to me. And here you are sitting right beside me. Thank you, honey.
Thank you so much.
I love you.
I love you too.
Honestly, your king is happy today. I want to remind all of us here that what matters is not what happens to you when you fall into times and seasons. But what matters is what we become when we fall into bad times and bad seasons. Today, we have become one unified household. That's right. Onowu and I have decided that the traditional marriage of Prince Mezier and that of Somadina will take place the same day in this noble palace. Afterwards, my pearl, my princess, my jewel, my special daughter here will be getting married to the crown prince of Amadi Kingdom. No, that is not just that. Take it easy. A day after that, the King's Ofala takes place to crown it all as a thanksgiving for the good life that we've lived. Thank you so much, my esteemed youth leaders. Honestly, I am stupidly happy for you bringing back Somadina to us again. I am very, very happy. And I want to say this to all of us here. I am not the kind of father that pushes and pulls at the same time. I am not the kind of father that spares the rod and spoils the child, and that is why the main perpetrator of this evil act, my daughter, right now is in the police net. And she will remain there. And that will stand as deterrent to as many that would like to toe the same evil lane. I am not angry. Once again, I thank you all. I am very happy.
Not only for the novels, but for both peasants and
I think we have a lot to dine and wine on. Let's go in and continue the celebration. Let's go in happily.
One chida, ojele bodo iba, ula wada nata. Onye bu, onye kere. International footballer, onwele ya. Nekwana onye bu, one chida, onye kere. One chida, ojele bodo iba, ula FIFA World Nata, Iri Jesper, Onyekere, international footballer, Onwelea. Ọkwammadị mma n'ụwa ka obodo na-acha mana ịmụsa nke dị njọ n'ụwa obodo efebe n'isi Samadị na nwa dị mma obodo niile chọrọ ya international footballer Samanwa award winner Samadị na nwanne Chida Ide enter their eyes yo Samanwa dịzi fresh ọnọkwa ọfụma ọbụla ndị na ọ nọ na site yo Ide enter their eyes yo Chida na-etibe Samu nwanne m gbara fresh yo ọnọkwa ọfụma ọbụla ndị na ọ nọ na site yo Ide enter their eyes yo Upon fugo everybody want to take a place of wine tapper at a drinking section only. But no one must accept to crash from the palm tree on his behalf. Onye chori keturu ni habona. Idi kwankwadeba hongom dinaya. Upon fugo, everybody is prepared to share in the fortune and success of summer. Family fema balonozo, ifa balonoze teka, okulu milasa, gagu asa, fene tupo weluto.